Alfred here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to clean your printer head. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's do this. So as you can see, this is a Epson L382, and lately it has been printing with excessive ink on the paper. Whenever I print, my printouts are not clean. So I want to show you how to clean the excessive ink on your paper. Let me open this printer. Now this is how it looks like inside. This is the print head, and here's the print head. So I'm going to try and move it. Is it moving really? Let me see if it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. So I'm trying to move this print head. Okay, now it is moving it. Now it's at the center. So this is where the excessive ink is coming from, at the print head. So this is what I'm going to clean, so that it can print clear again. You can use a paper towel like this one here, already folded. So I'm going to cut it into two since it is long. Now as you can see, those are already cut, so already folded. And last time I did this, the printer was printing very nicely. Let me try today again and see the results. So I'm going to put this. Paper towel very nicely. Now let me move the printer head first. So let me move the printer head first. Then place the paper towel at the center. Let me show you so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Now the paper towel should be at the center of this printer head. Let me show you. So this is what we're going to do. Now we are going to move this printer head. Let me place it next. Printer head. Slowly. Yes. Just like that. So guys, as you can see, there's ink left on the paper towel. So I'm going to show you how to clean it. The excessive ink that comes out of the paper when you print. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to move this paper towel across the you see the excessive ink that comes out of the paper when you print. So this is how you clean your printer very nicely. Easy. You don't have to worry about taking your printer to the technical support. This is what you do. Just move the head. Make sure it fits very nicely. Yeah. So guys, and that is it. That is the way you clean your printer head. You see the excessive ink that comes out of the paper.